Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off system sound in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration. After that go to system sound option and that's it. Now here you can see 5 options: touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, charging and screen lock or unlock. If you want to totally turn off your system sound, at first you have to decrease your system sound volume from here. Then you have to just disable these all options from here. So just do it. 1 2 3 4 5 and it's done. Now your touch sound, dialing keypad sound, keyboard sound and charging sound has been turned off successfully. That means your system sound is totally disabled, and that's it. And that is how you can turn off system sound in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.